the Timmins Warehouse, which is the storage area for the Linus Railroad Museum. We're so excited today to be receiving an enormous collection from Mr. Richard Sykes in Abilene. It's about a $20,000 worth of collection here, and we're just so grateful for his generosity, and it will get to be seen and used at the Railroad Museum. There's so much that it will be cataloged first and then be brought out in a series of different exhibits. You know, there is O-Gauge, there is LGD, there is a tremendous variety.
I had open heart surgery last year, and I couldn't work with it anymore. Come on. So I wanted to find a good home for it, and it's called Beverly.